I've been given an inverter, which is that there. So I've decided that there's a slot here where I fitted a Zig unit there, and I'm going to take that out, put a double socket there and suspend the inverter in the battery tray and get it all wired up. So now when I off grid, if I need to charge the laptop up or anything else that needs a 240 volt system, I can put that in because I've got the solar panel from the 12 volt system. I'm already wired up for 240 volt, but I've got that little extra capacity to use stuff. So I'll go through the installation of that. I had some spare steel that I wanted to use up, so the idea is that will be suspended underneath the seat so the airflow will get round and it's not resting on top of something, so there's no chance of it overheating. And I'll suspend that now above the leisure batteries. Okay, it's all wired up at the back, earth-in point down there, and wired up to the positive and negative on the leisure batteries. Also, just to show you, see the little green light come on there, she's all tickety-boo. Notice the reason I've done it like this is so it's suspended. Obviously I haven't attached it yet, but it means that airflow will get round here and airflow will get underneath it as well. And of course these fins are all there. It's all designed about, you know, keeping it cool while it's under load. Inverter is now installed. Starting to lose daylight now, so end of the world is nigh, etc, etc, etc. What I'm going to do, wire it up. It wires up like a normal plug. Basically you just got your common earth, your live, your neutral, and the cable comes in through the top there, so I'll just show you what it's like when it's all done. So that's all ready to plug in and try out now. So as you can see there, plugged in, then we'll switch her on. Green light for go. That's off. So plug that in like so, switch on. Power straight away. There, you can see the little red light on there now, look. So that's charging. The whole idea of the inverter was just basically so that I could use the laptop when I was out on the road. I will only use it really for charging batteries, charging phones, and it's just a secondary. Just to save me, if I don't want to use electric hookup from the 240 volt system, I've just got that extra added backup now that I can just use things what I would normally have on a household socket system. I can just access them easier without buying lots of adapters and lots of 12 volt systems. It's just easier to have the inverter, and then you can save on buying extra plugs and stuff like that. So that's it. So anyway, hope you found that easy enough. It is a simple enough job. I would always advise you to keep an eye on your batteries if you're using it from your main battery, or like me, I've installed a shut off so that I can actually disconnect from my main battery and just use my leisures and the solar. So I would recommend that you always keep an eye on it. If not, just keep breakdown numbers handy as well, just in case you end up with a flat battery. Right, thanks for tuning in, and see you out on the road. Take care.